What are the best kid-friendly attractions in NYC? Imagine a city where every corner has a new adventure waiting for your family. From open green spaces to fascinating museums, New York City offers endless fun for kids of all ages. If you're wondering how to make the most of your trip with children, let's explore some of the top spots and tips to keep your journey smooth and exciting. Central Park is a perfect starting point. It has 21 playgrounds, including the ancient playground near the Metropolitan Museum of Art, which has pyramids and a sandpit for little explorers. The Heckscher Playground is popular in summer for its splash features. The Central Park Carousel is a favorite for young kids, and the Central Park Zoo offers close encounters with animals like penguins and sea lions. You can also sail model boats at Conservatory Water or visit the Alice in Wonderland statue. The park is easy to reach by subway or taxi, and you can choose to spend just an hour or a whole day there. Nearby, the American Museum of Natural History is a must-see. It has giant dinosaur skeletons, a planetarium, and interactive exhibits that kids love. The museum is stroller-friendly and has family restrooms, making it easy to navigate with children. The Metropolitan Museum of Art and Guggenheim Museum are close by, offering family-friendly tours and activities. For a quick city experience, riding the Staten Island Ferry is free and provides stunning views of the Statue of Liberty and the skyline. Kids enjoy the bright lights and giant screens in Times Square, and older children find the panoramic views from the Empire State Building or top of the Rock exciting. Brooklyn Bridge Park is another favorite, with playgrounds, picnic areas, and incredible views of Manhattan. Many neighborhoods have local playgrounds that host free sports, games, and fitness activities, perfect for a break from sightseeing. During winter, ice skating at Rockefeller Center or Bryant Park is a classic family activity, with holiday lights adding to the fun. For seasonal events, Halloween haunted houses and Broadway shows designed for children make great memories. If your family loves rides and games, Coney Island is a classic spot with a beach, roller coasters, and carnival games. Legoland New York, about an hour outside the city, features giant Lego sculptures and rides for Lego fans. Radio City Music Hall offers tours and holiday performances like the Christmas Spectacular. When navigating the city, remember that the subway is stroller-friendly but elevators can be limited, so plan your routes ahead. Taxis and rideshares are available but may not always have car seats, so bring a portable booster if needed. Most attractions are within walking distance in busy neighborhoods, so comfortable shoes are a must. Many museums and parks have family restrooms and nursing areas, making visits easier. Dining options are plentiful, from quick bites to family-friendly restaurants, and many cafes welcome children. With some planning, exploring New York City with kids becomes a fun adventure filled with memorable moments. From parks and museums to seasonal activities and iconic landmarks, the city offers plenty of options to keep your family happy and engaged.